has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York. To Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Montauk Point, New York to Sandy Hook, New Jersey, from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 8 p.m. At 6:59 p.m. The National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from 14 nautical miles south of Moriches Inlet to 10 nautical miles southeast of Fire Island Inlet, moving southeast at 25 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, hot waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations: Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York, from 20 to 40 nautical miles. And Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles.
The coastal